Hey, what's up, XRP holder? It's a very good update for all XRP holder. Must watch this update, my brother. Why are you miss this video? Please, if you miss it, so my brother, you cannot understand to what's the today update of XRP. Especially, I search all day, my brother. My friend, spend my all day to search and this cryptocurrencies updates, and absolutely I found it, my brother. Something special for XRP holder. So, my brother, the special is that to XRP very impressive and very huge jumps coming soon. So definitely, my friend, when will, my friend, the huge jump coming soon? Absolutely everybody want to. I will tell you, my friend, I will give you this surprise, and yes, I will give you, my friend, in this video. But holder, remember to please like this video and subscribe this channel, because I just can only search for you. So why you cannot like this video? Subscribe it and like. All I remember that the XRP price will be increasing. You can see here in the current condition very good now, 20.92%, but in last 24 hours they will very badly fell down. So the holder absolutely asked me this question, so please tell us why XRP will fall down, and when will, my friends, they will hit now $1 again. So my friend, I will tell you in this video, but please my brother, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, remember, before you my friend, take any decision, research personally. My brother, XRP price will be moving upward continually from last 2 weeks, but definitely, my friend, in the last 24 hours they will fall down, and I know, my friends, to why they fall down. Just only the short-term investor, my friend, when they will starting selling, so they will dump down. But if they will, my friend, hold, so they will moving upward now. So kindly holders, you need, I request you to please hold it. Why are you starting selling? Hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brother, the price will be hit just in only $1 at the end of month, but if you hold it. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Hope you understand. My prediction is totally going to be positive now, and I expect this, my friends, to will hit $1 just only at the end of month. What's your expectation, my friend, about XRP coin? And yes, one thing more, my brothers, to please, the giveaway is also coming soon. So if you want to participate now, so just only click the subscribe button and don't forget to like video. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.